Habari gani, Kwanzaa. On this final night of Kwanzaa, I'm going to do a quick little demo of something that you can make, save, and maybe even keep and give out for Kwanzaa gifts or as hostess gifts throughout the year. It's a spiced vinegar. You've got the recipe, so I'm just going to do it really quickly. Some carrots that you've sliced thinly. First, you need a lovely, beautiful, sterilized glass bottle. With the carrots, some fresh thyme. You're just putting it all in the bottle. A little bit of habanero chili. If you don't like hot, don't do it too hot. If you can't poke it down with your finger, you can always get a chopstick. About 3 cloves of garlic. And a small piece of peeled ginger. See all of that decoratively in the bottle. We're going to top it with apple cider vinegar. And we're going to cork it and let it sit. You tie a pretty little ribbon on that, you've got a lovely gift for somebody who will appreciate it. It can be used for marinades, in salad dressings, or simply as a little hot sauce to top off some dish you've made. Anyhow, take care. Happy Kwanzaa. Have a wonderful year. Bye for now.